Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make roast partridge Indian style. I'll be cooking the grey partridge, also known as Teetar in Hindi and Urdu. Here I have 3 wild partridges that have been hunted in my local area in the UK. I'll be cooking them with their skins on. You can see that the shot has gone through here. Partridge is seasonal in the winter and is a very nutritious meat. Let's have a quick look at the other ingredients. I will need 1 stick of cinnamon, 4 green cardamoms, some black peppercorns, some cloves and some fennel seeds. I will also need 1 large red onion chopped finely, 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger garlic, 1 tablespoon of good quality tomato puree, 2 finger chilies, 3 large chilies which are less hot for extra flavor, and the zest and juice of 1 lime. Let's season the partridges with salt according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder. Massage the spices onto and into the birds. I am going to roughly ground the whole spices into a mortar and pestle to give them a lovely aroma. That's the ground spices. Pour some oil in a roasting pan that can go on the gas flame. And now we will lightly brown the partridges all over on medium heat. Keep turning them over as I am doing here to brown evenly on all sides. They are browning nicely and the skin has seared. Let's take them out and keep them aside. Now add the onions into the roasting pan and fry on medium heat. Keep stirring them about. Then add the ground ginger and garlic and fry for another half a minute. Then add the ground whole spices. Stir them in. Now add all the chilies into the pan and fry for a few seconds. Now it's time to add the tomato puree into the dish and blend it in. Add a bit of water and give the pan a stir. Place the masala into the middle of the pan like I'm doing here, and then place the seared partridges on top of the masala as shown here. Scoop some of the masala on top of the birds. Grate some lime zest onto the birds. Squeeze some lime juice on top of each of the birds like I'm doing here. Pour some water along the edges of the pan to create a bit of steam while it's cooking. Now cover the pan with some kitchen foil and seal it really well. It will go in a preheated fan oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, take it out of the oven and very carefully remove the foil. Let's check if the partridges have cooked through by inserting a knife through them. Scoop some of the gravy on top of the birds. Add a bit of ghee or clarified butter onto each of the birds. And put it back in the oven without any foil for 15 minutes at 150 degrees centigrade fan. After 15 minutes, take them out. As you can see, they look absolutely beautiful now. Let's plate them up. Sprinkle some coriander on top of the birds and serve with either naans, chapatis or tandoori rotis with a bit of salad on the side. This is a spicy roast partridge dish which makes for a wonderful winter dinner. If you like this partridge or teetar recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, The Omnivore Indian, for more game recipes. Enjoy!